Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the About Phone, then Backup and Restore. In the Google Backup and Reset, you have to go to the Backup My Data, enable this feature, turn on backups, and what you have to do next is to add your backup account. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add an account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you'll have to do is to tap Accept here. And after that, your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.